Cheers, credit card business owners. Let me tell you the secrets about running ads. I'm not even going to lie with you guys. You can spend a lot of money, and I've spent a lot of money on courses for a 6-week course, and at the very end of the course, this is exactly what they're going to teach you. They're going to teach you that first, the AI scans your ad and sends out to those it resonates with. What that means is that in order to get better conversions, you need to literally make better freaking ads. The two main things, and I've talked to hundreds of students, and I've helped hundreds of clients really scale their ads and hit 6-figure months. With that being said, the main two things that the AI scans your ad and sends out to those are resonating with, but the thing that happens that holds people back and stops them from converting is one or two things: lack of motivation in the type of leads that are coming through, and the lack of financial capability in the leads that are coming through. As in, if somebody has $1 million in the bank account, but they're not motivated to get started and rocking and rolling, they're not going to buy. And the same thing on the other way around too. If these people are super motivated but don't have enough money to get started, they're not going to be able to afford the service. So what you really need to do is you need to create ads that's going to attract motivated and financially capable people. Blade, how the F do you do this? Let me explain. And the first thing you got to know is that don't try to make your ads perfect. Especially when you're first starting off, expect them to kind of be cringeworthy, but it's authentic. When things are authentic, people buy from those that they like. If it's authentic, that shows the true you, people are going to relate to that. So again, don't strive for perfection, but strive to attract motivated and financially capable people. A good little homework thing to do is to think about the type of clients that pay you the most amount of money that you really enjoyed working with, and quite literally brain dumping all their attributes and characteristics on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you motivated and financially capable people. Now, when we're running the ad, we go two angles. The first angle is the angle of what's called funding denials. You fix your credit to get funding. That's attracting motivated people. But again, you need to attract financially capable and motivated people. So the ad will kind of look like this. Attention people that recently got denied for funding. Recently got denied is a little bit more motivated. If you have a growing company with at least 6 to 8 employees in your construction business, 6 to 8 employees, you're financially capable, and you need to acquire another 100K because you got a government contract in, but you don't have the money just yet to buy the equipment, you need funding for the equipment, well, guess what? I'm going to help you fix your credit and then get funded. That's more so the funding angle. Now, the other angle we like to use is what we call the actual denying for your dream home angle, in which case people that recently got denied for the dream home because of bad credit. Attention people that recently got denied for your dream home, motivated. If you're looking to get a home in a gated community next to a private school with a pool in the backyard, maybe a 2-car garage so you can put your Mercedes and Audi in. Attention lawyers that need to get a better house. First of all, motivated is recent got denied, and financially capable is 2-car garage, HOA community, next to a private school. These characteristics are specific characteristics that motivated and financially capable people are searching up actively. That's going to put your ad in front of those type of people. You want to attract motivated and financially capable people. The last thing is, literally, I can't stress this enough, your AI will really scan your ad and send it out to those that resonate with. So be as specific as you possibly can with these ads. This is what allows you to compete against people with unlimited budgets. People like major banking corporations that are spending millions and billions of dollars every single day, they're targeting the masses. How you can outcompete them is by being very specific on the type of person that you want to attract, motivated and financially capable. Hope that helps, guys. And if you need any help, you want me to run your ads, help them create, is helping with lead quality, build out a better sales system so you can consistently convert deals, guys, you already know how to reach me. God bless, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace.